हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे स्पॉटिंग द मल्टीबैगर्स KPIT टेक नाइका शेयर्स अमंग द 35 मिड कैप्स दैट गोल्डमैन सैच सीज एज पोटेंशियल विनर्स। ओके, लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। ओके, सो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे मल्टीबैगर शेयर्स गोल्डमैन सैच ऑल 269 historical multibagger stocks in India over the past 2 decades and share list one of the above the 6 trades. At about the 75% of them shares at least 4 trades. Okay. Okay, so guys, foreign brokerage Goldman Sachs sees KPIT Technologies, Devyani International and FSN E-commerce ventures, Nika and Bharat Dynamics, Kajaria Ceramics and Bharat Forge among the 35 stocks in its India midcap multibagger list, which satisfy at least 4 of 6 trades that it identified with multibaggers of the past. Other included Jubilant Foodworks, Oberoi Realty, Shenzhen Internationals, JK Cement, Bata India, Kansai Neralock and VIP Industries among the others. The basket of 35 stocks generated 18% return on equity ROE and is projected to long sales growth of 20% and earning growth of 38% CAGR over the next 3 years. Goldman Sachs and said its basket outperformed Nifty by 18 percentage points and BSE 200 by 15 percentage points since 2020. KPIT Technologies current market price 1136.60. Live market price. Okay. The foreign brokerage said its study on 10 major markets across the emerging and developed market, covering 6,700 stocks and 10 baggers, suggested that more than half 50% of the NSE 500 269 stocks generated 10 bagger the returns, the largest proportion of multi-baggers among the 10 markets. This is against the 30% for EMS and 20% for developed market China and Taiwan. Markets had only 18%, while the US S&P 500 and Japan topics had 16% stocks generating 10 bagger returns, one third of the proportion of the stocks in India, Goldman Sachs noted. Okay, the 269 multibagger stocks all shares a number of the following traits: the high realize, the growth rates first, and two, high capital return ratio third, mid cap, small cap basis four, extensive started valuation five, domestic sector orientation and six, high promoter holdings, Goldman Sachs said. And Goldman Sachs all 269 historical multibagger stocks in India over the past 2 decades and share a list one of the above 6 trades, and about the 75% of them shares at least 4 trades. Okay, among the 6 factors, size, promoters holding growth and valuations have been the comparatively and more dominant factors, while the sector and capital allocations appear to be less the influence in identifying the multibaggers, it noted. Okay, so guys, while India has historically offered the superior multibagger pick, the return the 24 by medium total returns versus the 16 times for the overall 1,500 multibagger stocks across the 10 markets. We acknowledge that stocks don't go up in a straight line and often the investors are likely to face the drawdowns on the road to multi-bagger returns, particularly given the small mid-cap dominance among the multi-bagger stocks, which is usually associated with higher price volatility, it said. Okay. Here is the Goldman Sachs India multi-bagger mid-cap basket. Okay, Indian market Goldman Sachs said has outside. Okay, the alpha opportunities in addition to a strong track record of delivering long-term beta via the simple buy and hold index strategy. The equity market in India has offered the outsize the stock returns and alpha opportunities for EM investors, it said, over the past 2 decades, and about the 60% of the current BSE 200 stocks would have outperformed the benchmark. It said adding that nearly 40% of the current BSE 200 stocks have generated more than 20% and annualized returns over the past 2 decades and double the 20% of stocks of border MSCI EM. Okay. Okay, so guys, spotting the multi-bagger KPIT technology, Nika shares among the 35 mid-cap that Goldman Sachs sees as potential winners. ओके सो गाइस, आज के लिए बस इतना ही। कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए। नमस्कार। बोलो राधे राधे।